Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the Instagram update. If you guys haven't received the new Instagram update yet, just make sure you go over to your app store and confirm that you have updated it. So as you guys see right now, if I go over to my app store, I have an update for Instagram. So just make sure you go check your app store and click on update. And we'll just give this a couple seconds to update. And once you're done updating, you can go ahead and open up your Instagram application, and I'll just go through some changes with you guys that I've noticed. You guys can see a lot too that the bottom bar has changed significantly. There's now some more things at the bottom, as well as the Instagram logo at the top is now to the left, and it's a lot bigger. So we'll start off with the top bar here. So you see on the top bar, the little first icon is a little plus option. If you click on that, this will be for posting right to your timeline here and to your profile. And then if you go to the icon beside it, which is your messenger, that will be your Instagram messenger paired with Facebook Messenger if you have set that up. If you haven't set that up, yours might be like a little bit of a plain there, kind of like how it used to be. But that is where you'll get all your messaging stuff. Now, if you go over to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner on your screen, you can then see your profile page looks quite a bit different, as your username will be in big letters at the top left. And then if you click on the little plus icon on your profile page, you'll then have more options than you just had before, which is the post. From here, you can then post to your profile, to your story, story highlight, IGTV, and also a reel. So that's a difference now. When you go to post something, you then have to come to your profile page if you want to post on anything else. But you can also just post on your timeline just like this as well over here on your homepage. Now on the bottom, we have the home tab that hasn't changed at all. It's the left tab. We then have search. So if you want to search for an account to follow or a page, the next one is the Reels tab. So now the Reels tab is in the middle, and then we can swipe down just like we used to be able to. The next tab is the shop tab. So now you're gonna be able to shop right directly from this tab on Instagram. And from some things that you click on, it might not even bring you out of Instagram. So that's really different. They're gonna be able to shop directly on Instagram now with this tab. And then of course, the next tab is your likes and stuff like that, the activity tab. But yeah, so a lot of things have changed on Instagram. Let me know down below if you guys like this change. We obviously might see some changes into the future a little bit, as this is a pretty big change. But let me know what you guys think. I hope I helped you guys out with showing you guys a little bit about what's changed with this Instagram update. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.